Hi, welcome to Van Life Fishing. I'm going to do a product review, something I don't do a ton of, but I'm going to start doing more of them. It's a product I came across just a few weeks ago because I needed something. I needed a jumper for my truck. I needed to jump start it. I didn't have a battery charger. I didn't have a set of jumper cables. I don't really like jumper cables very well anyway. So I bought a product called Tacklife. This is a battery. Okay, I know it doesn't look like it'd be big enough to start a V8 truck, but I'm going to tell you what, it started that V8 truck right up. All I had to do was insert this in here, hook these up to the battery. My battery was dead. There's a little thing on here called boost. I hit the boost, got back in the truck, it started up immediately. In fact, over the last several weeks, I've started it several times. Even that first day where I tried it 2 or 3 times, because I didn't let it run long enough to get it battery jars, it did not diminish the charge in this very much. This has a little meter on it. It tells you this one's 100% charged. Okay, and it's really kind of nice. You know what? It'll charge. I don't know how many times it would start a car. I really don't. Or a boat. Okay, for all of us fishermen out there, how many times you've been out on the water and needed a jump? Yeah, or needed to charge your phone. Has a phone charger on it. It'll charge an iPhone 7 times, so I'm absolutely dead. Okay, it has a flashlight, flasher. It can be charged either from AC or DC. But let me tell you something that I found out that I could do. I'm building this van, okay, and I needed to check all the DC circuits. Well, I don't have batteries in here yet. In fact, the battery load is going to be rather expensive, so it'll be one of the very last things that goes in here. I got to get enough money together to get the batteries. Okay, so I got one of these. I took the cigarette lighter adapter, 12-volt adapter. I bought, and I have it down here. I bought a separate male fitting with 2 wires on it. I bought a couple of little jumper cables. Plug this in. Hook it anywhere. Whoops! Try to plug it in again. Gotta plug it in the right place here. Plug it into here. Hook it into that DC circuit anywhere, and all the lights come on. I've got all the lights, all the fans. I've checked out all the circuits. I found ones where I had wires that came loose. I found some that didn't work. But I've actually even operating in here now. This thing's getting so closed in that you really can't see as well in here as you could when it was wide open. So I actually turn them on and work in here. So it's been a really valuable tool for me. It charges, like I said, from AC or DC. Either way, comes with a USB cable and charge or operate your laptop. So if you're out there and you need to operate your laptop and you're out of juice, hey, one of these would be great. It would operate it for quite a while. Did I mention these things are terribly expensive? Oh, no, they're not terribly. $70. That's about all they are on Amazon. And we will put a link to it. But I just wanted to let you know, this thing turned out to me, I will keep one of these in this van forever. If I ever get around to getting a boat and being a boater, I will have one in the boat. Recommend it for everybody. This thing is, for the price, it can be a real lifesaver. So y'all have a good day. Keep cruising, keep casting.